outside of the actual utility bills and other than the mortgage payment, which is a fixed payment, or it should be, your upkeep costs for the home are truly manageable. I mean, maintaining a home is similar to maintaining like your car, right? You have to have it serviced on a regular basis. You need to have an oil change and tune up, your tires rotated. Owning a home is very similar to that. I would recommend that you actually sign up for like a furnace and air conditioner servicing service contract where they come out every winter and they come out every summer and they service it and they clean it and they just make sure that everything is running, it's in good condition, and so forth and so on, because that will if you just maintain it, it'll last a long time. Even though a furnace and air conditioner, the life expectancy is 15 to 20 years, there are plenty of people who still have a 40-year-old furnace and air conditioner that work beautifully. Okay, no, it's not as efficient as today's models, but it still works for them. So I think in ballpark, a service contract with an HVAC company is like around $250 a year. So that, that's completely manageable. And then there are little things that you just kind of need to do around the house to help with the upkeep, so you're not having to pay for, costly repairs when something does fall apart. So back to your furnace. Every 3 months, you should run to Home Depot or Lowe's or Menards or whatever and go buy a new filter. It's for the clean air, because when a filter gets clogged up with all the dirt and dust that run through your house, then your furnace does not run as efficient, and sometimes it just completely shuts down because it just can't get the air through. So a new furnace filter every 3 months, it depends on the size, but let's just say it's $30 a month. Then there's little things, make sure you they're like DIY kind of weekend projects. You kind of get on a schedule. Oh, it's spring, so I should do this, and it's fall, and I should do this. It's little stuff like making sure that your gutters are cleaned out. You're not growing little trees in the gutters, because that could be a huge problem. Cutting back bushes that are growing toward the house and against the window, because if you have wood around that window, then the bushes are actually growing into it. So ice and snow, right? Rain, everything. Moisture is on that bush and it's stuck to the wood window, and now your wood is beginning to rot. Okay, so those are little things that you can do. So it doesn't really mean that it costs money to maintain or upkeep a home. It just means that you need to do like a regular DIY kind of schedule throughout the year. So I have attached a nice little cheat sheet for you for the things that you should be doing inside and outside the house on a regular basis all 4 seasons. Have a great day.